Alright, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing the using dictionaries quiz in Python. So let's hop right back into it. Let's go ahead and knock it out. So what will the following code output? So combo meals, we have one hamburger, fries. Two is hamburger, fries, and soda. Four is veggie burger, salad, and soda. Six is hot dog, apple slices, and orange juice. So combo meals at 2 will print out hamburger, fries, and soda, like so. It's going to be in this list type of format here. Alright, what is the output of the following code? We have Oscars, we have Best Picture, Moonlight, Best Actor, Casey Affleck, Best Actress, Emma Stone, animated feature, Zootopia. So for each element in Oscars dot values, print elements. So dot values. So values would be this Moonlight, Casey Affleck, Emma Stone, and Zootopia. Yeah, it would print out the values in there. What would be the output of the following code? Combo meals at 3. So 3, it doesn't have anything for 3. It only has 1, 2, 4, and 6. So it print out key error because it can't find anything with the key of 3. Okay, for element and Oscars, okay. So that would just print out the whole thing. It would print out best picture. Okay, so it goes to each key, not each item. Okay. So if you just search for element and Oscars, it's just gonna go through the keys. Okay, learned. No worries. Okay, let's see. We'll do combo meals get 3, which we don't have we don't have the 3, so it's just gonna return the hamburger and fries because that's what the default value is that when we use the get function, right? And then inventory, iron spear, invisible knife, needle of ambition, stone glove, the peacemaker, demon slayer. Dot get stone glove, which is right here, which is a 20. So it'll just print out 20 right here. Okay, the pacemaker in inventory, which we get. This will actually print out a true or false statement because it has the in keyword. It means, okay, is the pacemaker in inventory? True. So it'll give out that. What is the output of the following code? We have raffle, teddy bear, concert tickets, gift basket, necklace, and pasta maker. So we have this one, which we don't have a match, so it'll just give a key error, I believe. Oh, it'll say no value, actually. It'll have no value because it pops it out, and then it will just print the raffle, whatever we have left. Which will give us this. Okay, 12 in inventory. No. False. I think it's going to give us a false because, yeah, I think it's going to give us a false because you're looking for the key here, right? Not the value. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be false. Yeah, checks for existence of 12 as a key in the dictionary, although it is a value. It is not a key. 88% in the using dictionaries quiz here. So thank you so much for watching. If you're looking for internships or opportunities, check out the top link in the description. But without without further ado, that's going to end it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day or night, wherever you may be.